Roman numbers from 1 to 10. Andy got a gift on his birthday. When he opened the gift, he saw a clock with some sections named with I and X. What do the I and X stand for? This is another way of writing numbers using the Roman number system. Let me tell you about Roman numerals. In the Roman number system, the numbers are represented by the English alphabet. Roman number I, Indian number 1. Roman number V, Indian number 5. Roman number X, Indian number 10. Here are the rules to write numbers in Roman numerals. Rule 1. The letters I and X can only be repeated thrice. For I, in correct representation. For I, V, correct representation. Rule 2. Writing a smaller value to the right of a larger value means addition of numbers. XII is equal to 10 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 12. Rule 3. Writing a smaller value to the left of a larger value means subtraction of numbers. IV is equal to 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. IX is equal to 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. Let us learn how to write Roman numbers from 1 to 12. 1 can be written as I. 2 can be written as I. 3 can be written as I. 4 can be written as IV. 5 can be written as V. 6 can be written as VI. 7 can be written as VII. 8 can be written as VIII. 9 can be written as IX. 10 can be written as X. 11 can be written as XI. 12 can be written as XII. Let us recall. I stands for 1. V stands for 5. X stands for 10. Letters I and X can be repeated up to 3 times. Putting a smaller value to the left of the larger value means subtraction of a number. Putting a smaller value to the right of the larger value means addition of a number.